Kum kadak ban kenmau ya kasngi burom jon kinoi kai ni ka Teachers Day hakabakari India barok kawai kala rakhe ni kasngi daki program paper ban le burom ya kinoi kai nakaliang katnat puli puthi jon ka Ribhoi district kala rakhe ya ni kasngi ha ka jingelang kabla long men ha ka santrik nailur ha parish hall nongpo hakabau nong ai boit barang ba sarkar jelau Dr. Didi Lapang ubolong ru u MLA jon ni kathan ulalong kongsan Haringkat ke Jingadan Lang ke Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District ke Dr. Pooja Pandey u Joint Director Ketnat Puli Puthi u MC Deka u DSEO ba G Khongsder ki noikai ki khana school bat ki wei
Deputy Commissioner IS Ribhoi District Nongpo. Please be with me. Congrats to all the abonnees on my website.
Ban penpu penpieng ke ni ke jing rakhe ke ladan ke jing rai ke jing shat ki drama naki khna skol ban kenmau burom ya laki nahi kai hagani ke sngi katnat puli puthi jongka Ribhoi district kala samru khusnam district awards ki laingot ki nahi kai skol ki bla a ke jing sakri ke papa katam ban ke tiu ke puli ke puthi hakathan kini ki nahi kai ki bla yo kini khusnam ki kanthop yo babu Elraj Kishore Singha headmaster Pelingkata secondary school u babu Puran Marme assistant teacher Karbi UP school but Ubabu Koming Marsing, head teacher, government LP school, Umwang.
We have been celebrating Teachers' Day every year and circling around one personality. And that personality is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who is this man? Let us hear carefully. Dear students, you have to listen. Why this man should get this honor to observe the Teachers' Day on his birthday. Dr. Radhakrishnan was born in a very small village to a Telugu family. That village is the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu states. His parents are not very rich, financially not very sound. They live in a village way and have got this son, Radhakrishnan, whom they give birth to him on 5th September, not knowing that one day this man will be a giant tree who would give shelters and shades to people who need his wisdom and his capability.
Once more, a big clap to LKR Singh Singer. So the next ones, it goes to Shri Puran Marme, Assistant Teacher of Karbi Upper Primary School, Marmite. The citation, certificate, and the cash about